Welcome back, guys. So here I am again with Ashimary. I got a cute tote bag, you know, always a very clean professional packaging from Ashimary. I got the wig, obviously, which we're gonna get into. I got goodies. I got this bonnet. I also got a robe, their signature robe. You know, it wouldn't be an Ashimary package if we didn't get a signature robe. So let's get into the goodies. I got this Ashimary elastic headband. I got the edge brush and comb. I got some lace tapes. We'll be using these for today's install because of course it's glueless. We got some cute little bow clips. We got a extra Invisi strap because yes, we're working with an Invisi strap 360 wig. We got some pins, a lot of goodies in here, guys, a lot. I also got some lashes, cute. I got this information card, which just speaks to the 360 wig, and everything is just always so informative and professionally laid out. And I got a pair of HD wig cap. Okay, so let's get into the wig of the day. It feels so silky and soft already. This is Ashimary's new black ombre brown highlight 3D body wave 360 lace frontal Invisi strap pre-bleach and pre-plucked human hair wig. I know, a very long title, but yeah, a lot's going on with it. As you can see, it maintains the same size right across, so that's the reason why. Or right across, and then it's still lace going right around the perimeter. That's the reason why it's regarded as 3D 360 or lace front, because you can part it and have that same depth in the front. It's already pre-bleached, as I said. It has this elastic band on the inside, which is branded. Also, there are removable combs in the back, so if you don't want the combs in there, you could take them out. They're removable on the sides as well, so it's 3 combs in total. And the Invisi strap is in the back right here, and you literally just pull them and adjust the knobs, and it's 2 of them, so make note of that. So you use them, you know, to adjust it to how snug you want it to be or loose. Very discreet. That's why the Invisi strap is so good, because you cannot see it that easily as opposed to other 360 wigs, and I love that. So as you see, it's already pre-cut and it's pre-plucked. This lace too looks so good. I know it's gonna melt down. Well, it's glueless, so you know it makes a lot of sense. Yeah, so I love that it's a body wave texture. As I said, it's very soft. Very soft. This color is so perfect for the season, and it's also a very full wig. It's 24 inches long, by the way. I'm gonna put the density down below and all the specifications, so go ahead, check that out. But we're gonna proceed to do a very easy, beginner friendly installation with it. I'm going to go ahead and use the lace tapes to install today's wig, so let's go ahead and get to it. Once it's on, you start to peel away at the blue part, obviously because it's transparent, so you just peel away the blue part. The hair looks real good. You can see the tapes are in. The pluck work on this, gorgeous, just gorgeous. So, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and get to styling this really nicely. So I'm gonna pull back a portion. Oh, before I do that, let me show you. You can part right throughout the front if you want a nice side, like deep side part. If you want to put braids in this, you can do so. You know, it looks good. It looks good. So I absolutely love that. Yeah, it looks good. So you can part it wherever. The hair is really soft, even though this is processed. The process portion isn't like super coarse. It's a little coarser, but it's not like super coarse. So I love that. You know, fluffing it more because it came pre-curled, came really nicely curled, and stuff. So I love that. Absolutely love that. Now I'm just gonna do like a nice pullback, and the lace tapes are strong. Okay, I'll keep that part put like that. I just want it to be really flat. Look at that pluck work. Can you see that? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Stunning. So just pull it like that and then get my scrunchie. Just do a ponytail. Really easy peasy hairstyle. Look at that. That's so gorgeous. So it's fully pulled back. Ooh, that is stunning, right? Stunning, stunning, stunning. The lace looks amazing. Definitely. And but glueless. Yeah, perfect for the beginners. So now let's get into the next hairstyle. In a center part, and I'll show you guys it in a center part, right? So let's do a really nice deep side part vibe. Oh, okay. I love when the wigs come pre-curled. Like, it makes so good. It makes life so easy. Like, looking good. What? It's not frizzy. I love it. I love it. Yeah, it's full. It's silky. Looks so realistic. Love. Ashimary always gets it though. Like, now that we did style number 2, let's go ahead and do a updo, because what would a 360 wig be if we didn't do an updo, right? Before you do anything, you want to get the comb and stick it in to your braids and the Invisi-Strap hair, right? You want to take the first knob closest to the wig and adjust it, and then you take the second one to like lock it. So you really just lock that in. You swoop all your hair beneath the cap, there's any out, and then you can literally conceal the strap beneath the cap. So you just literally slip that beneath. The same thing for the next side, and it is super secure. And do a updo. So for me, I'm gonna do like a clip instead of the regular scrunchie. I'm gonna do like my little clip hair, because I know the girly love to use a good claw clip, you know, and I love how the ends are so curly, so it's gonna look so cute. I'm gonna just gather everything, clip it together, and kind of like just spread that, you know, really easy peasy, really cute. If you want, you could do your little 2 pieces in the front, you know, just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. I didn't do it at first because I've done quite a few styles with this, which really it doesn't even matter. Do what you want to do, but this is really cute. So yeah, I love this. I love this. This is so cute, so like effortless, and it's glueless. So on my beginners run out right now. It's giving. It's totally giving, and I love the color. The color is really cute, complements my skin tone really nicely. And if you want to dibble and dabble in a bit of color, I would recommend this, because it's not too bold, it's not too striking, it's just right. So I love that. But yeah, this is the final hairstyle for today's glueless install. Let me know what you guys think. Ashimary, shout out to you. You did that again. Y'all get me. Y'all really get it. I love that. I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box. The direct link if you want to shop this wig, it'll be down below. You know, it's sale season, so go ahead and see if I have any codes listed, all that good stuff. Yeah, check my description box. You don't want to miss that. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you found this informative. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up, subscribe and share. You know, leave your thoughts down below. I'm coming with the makeup tutorials, guys. I'm resuming in a few, so stay tuned and drop the looks that you want to see me do down below, okay? But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.